Hi, good morning. This is Carol Grant, your estate planning attorney here in Davie, Florida. So today I want to talk about funding your revocable living trust. So I have a client, and at the end of the execution of his documents, we were talking about funding his trust. And he looked at me with a puzzled look because when I spoke of the term funding his trust, he thought about funding in the sense of a business, coming up with capital to get that business up and running. And so I had to explain to him that funding your trust really means taking your assets that are now titled in your name alone, John Doe, and changing the title from John Doe to John Doe, trustee of the John Doe Revocable Living Trust. And funding your trust is vital to the whole point in having a trust. If you do not retitle your assets in the name of the trust, then those assets will have to go through probate. So every asset, except for qualified retirement accounts, which you would not want to do anything with those assets without talking to your attorney, your accountant, or your financial advisor. But back to funding your trust. So, yes, it means really retitling your assets from your name into your name as trustee. So now you're wearing a different hat. Once those assets are in the trust, they still belong to you. You can sell them, you can give them away, you can do whatever you want. But the most important thing is that those assets now will not have to go through probate. And also, if you were to ever become incapacitated, meaning you can no longer manage your property, manage your assets, now your successor trustee is able to step into your shoe and manage your assets a lot easier. So, yes, funding your trust is important. If you have questions, if you have concerns, you can click the link below and schedule a consultation. I'm also including a link to a blog about funding. Have yourself a great day. Thank you for listening.